Talent Search Cymru is back.
I wanna be alone with you, does that make sense? I wanna steal your soul, and hide you in my treasure chest. I don't know what to do with your kiss on my neck. I don't know what feels true, but this feels right, so stay a sec. You feel right, so stay a sec, and let me hold inside your veins. I'll build a wall, give you a ball and chain. It's not like me to be so mean, you're all I wanted. Just let me hold you like a hostage, like a hostage. Gold on your fingertips, fingertips, so kiss my cheek. Gold leaf against your lips, kiss me until I can speak. Gold chain beneath your shirt, the shirt that you let me wear home. Gold's fake and real love hurts, but nothing hurts when I'm alone. When you're with me and we're alone, and let me crawl inside your face. I'll build a wall, give you a ball and chain. It's not like me to be so mean, you're all I wanted. Just let me hold you like a hostage, like a hostage, like a hostage, like a hostage,
Wow! Well done, Marcel!
Wow, well done, Marcel. Oh my God, that was like haunting. Really haunting. Zoe, what did you think of Marcel's performance tonight?
I didn't write it. Well, all I wrote was incredible. Like, I couldn't write anything then because I physically could not take my eyes off you. You were so... That was the most, like, captivating you've ever been. Like, it was insane the things you just did then. Like, that was such a big moment for you. But, like, I feel like that was such a big moment, like, in the whole of, like, Talent Search Cymru. Like, that was insane what you did just then. It was nice, like, to hear, like, your like lower notes, like how we did in the audition, like you were right down in the lower part of your range then, and I love that. It was so rich and it was like chocolate. I just didn't want to stop listening. I didn't want you to stop, and you made it like so it's not a theatrical song, but you kind of made it theatrical with all like the hand gestures and the facial expressions. Like, I couldn't get enough of that, and you should be so proud. This was such a big moment for you. Well done.
Travis?
Marcel, when I first heard that you were doing this song, I was both incredibly excited and incredibly terrified. Because what I'd heard of you before, I was like, how is Marcel going to pull this off? This isn't his thing. Not at all. I was...
Now it's thing. It's his thing now,
yeah, oh, it's your thing now. Oh my God, yeah, mate, you absolutely nailed this. You took a song that, as poppy as it can possibly be, Billie Eilish is like the face of pop right now, or one of the faces, and you turned one of her greatest, most well-known songs into something that felt so theatrical and so you. It was extraordinary. Like Zoe said, massive step up from what we saw from the audition. It's so amazing to see you really step up every week, discovering more and more as to what you want to be, who you are, what you're destined to be, with Joey's help, with rehearsals, with your own confidence blossoming so beautifully. Zoe said about the vocals. Joe, I'm going to leave everything else to these guys here, but what I will say, as a theatre lover myself, I'm seeing so much potential in you in that side of stuff. I'm not trying to, convert you or anything, but I need, after a performance that was so filled with action, with visual storytelling, if you are successful tonight, I would absolutely love, before this season ends, at least one theatre song out of you. I beg of you. Make it happen, all right, Joe? Brilliant stuff, mate. Be proud.
I promise you.
Yes! That's my point.
You try anything.
Laura?
I'm definitely going to go home and go back through all the other stages in the past, because, like you just said, this is different, and obviously I'm seeing it for the first time and listening to it for the first time. I was just actually like, I just had a weird feeling in me, like it was just strange, like, and I loved it. I was watching you I don't even know what to say about it.
Just so unique.
Yeah.
It was different. And I know I'm saying different. I've got to be honest, every single person who just got on this stage have smashed it, but like it was a different vibe from you, and I wouldn't change what you're doing now, because that is your selling point. You are very, very unique, and I don't think we've seen something like that ever. That's I don't even know what to say, but it was brilliant.
Marcel, honestly, I feel so proud of you there, and I the family must be so proud of you, like, because literally when you came into this process, I'll come to this performance now, but when you came into this, I think maybe people got the kind of idea that you was pretty much doing this for a laugh, because the songs you was picking was just fun, and you that like happy-go-lucky guy, which you still are, but for the first time, and last week was like the start of it happening, that sort of switch over, the transition from, oh, I'm just enjoying myself, having fun, to I'm a professional act. Tonight, this was a professional act. This was you, me looking at you, and in the week, I didn't tell you this in rehearsal in the week, but what I wanted to say to you, but I wanted to see this tonight as it was that there is something in you that gives you the ability to go to the end of this entire process. And I'm saying that out loud publicly now because I feel it in my gut. And I'm telling you that because the transition tonight as literally, that was so bang on pitch, it was so clean, that lower edge that was so thick, the vibrato, clear, it was just bang on. The way you presented it, the way you presented yourself, everything about that turned you into an upcoming professional act for the first time. That was very current, it was very sellable, it was something you'd even see if you released it into the charts now. That is what I got from that. You should be so proud of yourself, but because considering you came into this, out to your bedroom, singing in your bedroom, coming into this big, what's going on here, and then tonight we witnessed that a few weeks in. This is the start of another journey for you. That's how I feel. You should be so proud of yourself, but absolutely bang on. Keep what you did in mind now for future. Well done, buddy. Round of applause for them, guys. Well.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.